Hello and welcome back to the Computer Lab. This is just a quick review of a 6-inch LED ring light. Okay, so I'm not sure what you get in the box, so let's get the box open and see what we get. I'd also like to add I'm not affiliated or in any way with this company. It was just something that I purchased to improve on my videos. So I thought I'd do a quick review, unboxing, and just a quick test of it. So I'm not affiliated with this in any way. And if I do put a link in the description below, that will be later on, and that will be an affiliate link through Amazon. But at the moment, yeah, nothing to do with that at all. Okay, so in the box, obviously, it's just bubble wrapped, and it's just the 6-inch LED light, as you can see, tie wrapped with a lead. I did get two of these, so I have measured the lead on the other one, and it's 2 meters in length, and the controller sits about 1 meter. So it's sat in the center of the cable, and it's a USB type end on it to supply the power. You get 4 buttons. One powers it on and off. One does your brightness down. One does the colour change, and the other one's the brightness up. To be honest, the colour change thing, it does give you a different warm effect. So if you're trying to do different effects, then yeah, it's good for that. But I will show it plugged in a second, and you can get a gauge of the brightness and the different colours that you get from it. Like I said, I think the colours are just an added thing they've added in the last minute. But the light itself, I mean, it costs £18. I'm in the UK, so it's not a lot of money. Like I said, I got 2 of these, and you compare it to the bigger lights, it's not expensive at all. Powered off a USB, so that's good as well. So if you've got it next to your computer and you're wanting to put the LED facing you to get a nice clearer shot, then it's good for that. The underside, let me just focus the camera on the underside of the fastening screw. There we go. So this is the standard screw that you see on the tripod, so it screws onto all the standard tripods that you have for cameras, and ones that you might buy off eBay or Amazon or something like that. I think it doesn't actually say, but I think it's an M4 I think that's used on cameras. But it does suit I've got a couple of mini tripods and a full-size tripod, and they're all the same, and it screws directly into them. And I will put it on a mini tripod now just to show you. This is a Joby small tripod. If I can get the thread right. Just get it to catch. There you go. Okay. So yeah, standard screws in. Nothing really to say about it. Screws in as it does, and it's got a little ball joint on it once you get it to there. But if you've got a similar sort of tripod like me, you can control that anyway. But it's got a small ball joint on it, which is nice for the money. Okay, so I'm going to just leave it slightly tilted away so it's not blaring in the camera, wise you won't be able to see. So I'm just going to leave it tilted like that while I plug it in. I'm just going to use a power block just to show you. This is just a TP-Link power block. It's got a 1 amp and a 2 amp output on this. So I'll just plug it into that, and then obviously we should be able to see. So like I said, there's a 1 amp and a 2 amp. So the 2 amp one is on the top, the 1 amp is the bottom one. So we'll plug it into that and let's see what we get. And we'll use it on the 1 amp, I think, and see if we've got enough amperage for that. So there we go. And straight away you saw the little clicker light up, so there's power getting there. I haven't tried it with this. I've tried it in a normal sort of iPhone charger. It worked fine, but I haven't tried it in a power block yet. So let's just see if it works. Okay, oh, there we go. Yeah, so it works fine. So that's good as well. So if you're using this out and about, you can carry a power block around with you, and it'll power the light up just fine. I'll just tilt it a bit more just so you can see the light. So that one, yeah, that takes the brightness down. That's all the way down, that's as far as it goes. And then the top one takes the brightness all the way up. I'll just put my hand in front of it just so you can see. So it's quite a bright little light really, and it's diffused quite nicely, so it'll give a nice effect. And the middle one does the colour change. So you see there it goes like a warmer colour, and the last one's sort of in between really. So you go from the full-on brightness to the warmer one, and then the end one, not sure really, it's a bit of a mix of the two. So yeah, it's a nice little tool. Like I said, nice long lead, 2 meters in length, 1 meter where the controller is. You can use it on a power block, which is great as well. Oh yeah, good little light really. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please do subscribe, please hit the like button, and please do send me your comments below for anything you'd like me to review or look at in the future.